What's going on, y'all? It's G Money here for Restoring a Princess. In today's episode, we are talking concessions. That's right, we're gonna be upstairs in departure, taking a look at some of the concessions. Now you have food and bev, you have retail, but today we're gonna look at retail. So don't go nowhere, Restoring a Princess. I'm here at Caribbean Liquors Duty Free with Emily. How are you?
I'm doing great, and you?
I'm fine, and I like this store. This is a different look from the last time you guys were downstairs.
Yes, it's more spacious. It's still very much cozy compared to where we were.
Tell me some of the things that you guys have here.
We have a lot of our main brands that everyone know and love. We have the Hennessy Pure Whites. We also have all of the Hennessy's. Right now we have a special, which is the Hennessy Carnival Limited Edition bottle.
Oh, really?
Which, as you can see on our photo over there.
Oh, yeah, nice. Okay.
Super cute.
Now, something really interesting that every time I walk past I see is this baby.
Yes.
Tell me a little something about this.
So this is the very first Moet vending machine in the Caribbean, which is super exciting. Everyone adores it. It catches everyone's eyes.
Hey, that looks marvelous.
It holds 200 bottles, although, yes, they are all the same.
Correct.
It's the initiative that makes it fun, you know, bring back that inner child in you.
Correct. And you get like a golden straw, I heard?
Yeah, well, you get a golden coin to put it in. You pick your letter, your number, wait for the door to open, boom, you get it. And then we have a little topper that you put on top of the bottle. And then you can drink straight from the bottle in more of a classy way.
Nice. Voila. And this is the only one in the Caribbean?
Yes, it's the first one.
The first one?
Yeah.
Well, it's still the only one in the Caribbean.
Exactly.
So, cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy it.
Okay, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. These are actually cocktails already in a glass. Look at this. This is a traditional mojito. All you gotta do is add alcohol. I have never seen this before. Look at this. This is amazing. And this is too small for you. They got the big boys. This is a pina colada. All you gotta do is add your favorite alcohol and you're good to go. Bottoms up.
Well, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Let's drink.
Smooth. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, I got my goodie bag. Next stop, we're gonna check out the Shipwreck Shop. Let's go. All right, G-Money here at the Shipwreck Shop with the lovely Carol. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, as always.
As always. Now, you guys, your shop is actually in the same exact spot before Irma.
Yes, and it is,
Okay.
and always.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me some of the stuff that you guys here have at the Shipwreck Shop.
Okay, as you can see right now, we have this young lady from St. Maarten who actually has her own book.
Really?
Yeah, and it says,
Kim saves the ocean. And this is from right here, St. Maarten.
Yes.
Nice.
Dutch and French. Two sides of the island.
Did that now.
So whenever they buy that doll, we sell to, this is two sides of one, French and Dutch.
Dutch.
That's
Look at
right,
that.
that's right.
Parlez-vous français?
Tu crois que tu peux parler anglais?
These are all local spices.
This ones are more
Those
local.
are local, okay.
More local.
Okay, and then here you have some barbecue rub.
That's right.
You have, okay. And what's at the, these are what at the bottom?
This is vanilla that you could bake.
Oh, vanilla extract.
Yes, that you could bake.
And these
the
are
hot sauce. These are the hot sauces from Madudu.
Madudu, okay. What do everybody?
I look at Madudu.
Madudu.
The meaning of it stands for
so people want to go home with some
yes,
flavor.
They always want a flavor of St. Maarten.
St. Maarten.
Always look for St. Maarten. Everything. The souvenirs, they says it must have St. Maarten,
St. Maarten.
logo.
Oh, they want the logo.
Logo.
And then you guys are also the official shop for the regatta?
Yes, we are the official shop.
Okay, so you guys have regatta gear all year round?
Every year.
Okay. Okay, I'm here in one of my favorite stores here at the Princess. It's Love SXM. I'm here with Sunita. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
So this is the famous backdrop that everyone...
Yes. Here's where everyone take pictures. You can take your selfies. You can take your pictures, your travel pictures with your friends, by yourself.
Tell me a little something about the store.
Well, Love XSM started 15 years ago on the front side in Grand Cas. It started as a hotel first. And then from there, they branched it out. Tourism, tourists was asking for little trinkets, and then from there, the store came about.
Okay.
So it became T-shirts, hats, bags, whatever that we can print that has Love XXM on it, that has St. Maarten for sure. That's what we
And everybody wants to go home with a piece of something that says St. Maarten.
St. Maarten, yes, exactly.
What's probably like the #1 item people like to...
I would have to say shirts.
Shirts.
T-shirts for sure. T-shirts for sure. We also have bags. It goes really well for the beach products, so that goes really well as well. But T-shirts are #1.
Now, one thing I like about this, because you guys are new to the Princess.
New to the airport. Very new, but it's going good.
It's going good.
It's going good.
Do you know, like, you probably don't really know this, but like, was the process to get into the airport? Do you know if it was difficult?
It was difficult. From what I've heard, it was a long process.
I see you guys have the machine to make the shirts?
We print shirts here, we print the bags, we print hats. Everything gets printed right here in the store.
Really?
Yes. So you also have a choice to choose your own item, because certain things are already printed. You have a choice to choose that, but if you want to create your own, you can do that as well.
You can do that as well.
In less than a minute, it's ready.
Hop on your plane, got a piece of St. Maarten to go with you.
Boom, bam.
Well, thank you, Sunita, very much.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Good,
Thank
good.
you.
I keep shopping. I can't stop. Okay, y'all, still checking out all the retails. A lot of retail upstairs here in Departure. And one of my favorites is Pena. Let's go check it out. Okay, y'all, we're inside Pena, and I'm here with my good friend Abigail.
Hi.
Can I call you Abby?
Yes.
Okay.
Her name was Abigail.
So Abigail, you guys have a lot of products in Pena. You want to go over some of them or explain?
Okay, so over here we have the Dior over there, the Chanel for men. We have Chanel for female. We have Hollister, Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secrets. Now, what from Victoria's Secret? Clothes? No.
No.
Oh, darn, darn, darn.
What is the most popular for men right now for men?
For men?
What's hot right now? What's popular? When
It
comes
would
to
be
clothes?
between Givenchy, Society, and Dior, Savage.
And what's your favorite? Which one smells? Which one you like the best?
Dior.
Dior. Okay. And then if I want to get one from a lady friend,
Chanel.
Chanel. Which one?
Chanel. We have the Coco Chanel, number 5, 19, and the Maramonzal.
And what's your favorite?
The Maramonzal.
So you always got to ask a woman's perspective, because women do know.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
they
know a
do.
lot.
We know a lot.
Wow.
There's actually a song about this. Shout out to Gion.
Here you go.
Yeah, I know this one.
We have Poison.
Poison, like Belle Biv DeVoe.
Poison, poison.
That girl. Kind of smells like poison, actually.
No, it doesn't.
Well, thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
And when I come back, see if you can have some samples for me, okay?
I'll try.
Okay.
Not making no promises.
Okay, well, just put some aside for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all, we're here at Princess Promenade. My good friend, Jamal, how are you?
I'm great, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tell me a little something about the store.
We have various assortments. We have champagne, wines, local rums.
What is popular that everybody wants from the States? What are they looking for? Is it a champagne? Is it a tequila? Is it a rum? What do they want to go back with when it comes to your store?
Well, local rums. Because in the States, they don't really sell any local rum, so we like to go back with something local.
Okay.
That they say, that, okay, they came from St. Maarten, and you have something to go back with.
Okay, all right.
Right.
Let's take a look at the whiskeys. This is something interesting that just caught my eye one time. What is this?
All right, so this is an exclusive whiskey from Johnny Walker. All right. As you can see, it's limited edition whiskey, the blue label, and it's really, really smooth.
Ah, this is what I've been looking for.
Uncle Nearest.
This is by Uncle Nearest. Uncle Nearest, for those who don't know, was a slave, and he wrote the recipe for Jack Daniels. Now, one thing I noticed, you guys sell cigars, but you also have local cigars?
Yeah, that cigar. They're wrapped, they're hand rolled on the island.
On the island, okay.
Yeah.
And this is a nice little humidor I see you have here.
That's right, that's right. Got to keep it fresh.
Okay, there's a debate of how this is supposed to be worn. Some say it's supposed to be worn like this, all jokes aside. And if you go on TikTok and other shows, they say it's supposed to be worn like this. So your chin can rest. So I don't know which way this is supposed to go, but this is really soft. Anyway, we're here in an electronics store by Pena, and we'll see what they got to offer here. Yeah. We are in Hot Look, and everybody wears sunshades. Well, just about everybody, but you need the hottest pair of sunshades. So we're gonna take a look around and see what we can find. So Alberta, I'm here with Alberta. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So we're here in Hot Look, and I gotta say, you guys have all the latest brands.
Yes, we do. We have very variety. We have Casal, we have Dolce Gabbana, Burberry's, we have Prada, Tiffany, Chopard, we have Cartier, we have Furla, yes, we have Maui Jim, Ray-Bans, and a lot of more.
Wow. What's the popular brand right now? What's hot right now?
Popular is Maui Jim. Is
Maui Jim.
Popular is Maui Jim, Ray-Bans, and we have a nice like Prada styles, which is very popular. If you want, I can show you the style.
Sure.
#1 seller.
#1 seller?
Yeah.
#1 seller.
It is a unisex style, so men and women can try it. You see, it looks good on you. Can I try
Okay, let me see if it looks good on you.
Sure.
Oh yeah, I do like those. I do like those. You like that? Always go with what a woman tells you to put on. How do I look?
Perfect. Nice.
Nice?
Unique.
I'm ready for my close-up.
I'm ready for another close-up, Mr. Demir.
Okay, y'all, we're here at Colombian Emeralds, probably one of the oldest jewelry stores in the world, probably.
Definitely.
Definitely. And I'm here with Rakesh. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
So tell me what you guys have here at the at Princess when it comes to jewelry, watches.
We have a little bit of everything for everybody's budget. Of course, we have watches like Citizen,
Okay.
Belova,
Uh-huh.
Federico Constant, Michael Kors for the ladies, of course.
Yeah.
Movado for the classier style.
Okay.
Jewelry-wise, we have Tanzanite right here. Of course, not only being Colombian Emeralds, but we also have Colombian Emeralds.
Emeralds.
Of course.
Nice.
We cater to everybody's budget. That's the best thing about it.
Really? Okay. So all these are rings and bracelets.
Rings, jewelry, diamond necklaces.
Wow. What is your most exquisite piece of jewelry that you have to show me?
I can show you a couple of stuff.
They really let you borrow this from the jewelry store?
I'm a very good customer.
This is Fire and Ice. A lot of the diamonds that we carry are all natural diamonds, of course. But we also have lab-grown pieces as well, which you see here on the counter dedicated to lab-grown diamonds, which is more economically priced.
I was just about to say that. I didn't want to say the word cheaper, but
yeah, economically
priced.
If I was you, I'd find a way to say it different.
Economically priced. Versus the natural stones.
Okay. What's hot right now with watches?
Citizen, you have the Citizen Eco Drive. They have Eco Drive works with natural and artificial light, of course. Doesn't require any batteries. They have also the automatic pieces right here.
Okay.
We have Belova. Belova makes the Precisionist watch, which is one of the most accurate quartz watches on the market.
Oh, really?
Yes. It operates at a very high beat, 262 kilohertz. This was known as one of the doctor's watches because they want accuracy when they check the patients.
Okay. Yeah, when they give you that anesthesia, make sure everything's
you gotta make sure it works.
All right,
of course,
all
you
right.
know they have the automatic versions here as well. So they have classy, conservative pieces, sporty pieces, you know, going out pieces. We have Frederic Constant. Frederic Constant is a fantastic brand as well. They make automatic watches, quartz watches, both for men and ladies, which is very cool. All set in stainless steel, high polished stainless steel.
Okay.
Here.
And the ladies like the Michael Kors.
Yeah. You can have watches without having the Michael Kors for the ladies. This is the closer right here.
Okay.
Of course, the ladies love the Michael Kors, the big face watches, the boyfriend watch, what they call it, the big face watches.
Well, this has been great, Rakesh. I really appreciate it.
Pleasure.
And thank you very much.
Anytime.
All right.
Pleasure's all mine.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow. What a day of shopping here at the Princess. And we just did the retail. We didn't even do the food and beverage yet. But we're going to do that in the next episode. So shout out to all the businesses who are upstairs here in Departure. And don't forget, we have more concession coming downstairs in Arrivals. But until the next episode, keep following us and keep ringing that bell. Like you hear that bell that keeps ringing to get more episodes of Restoring a Princess. Until next time, this is G Money.